This is my new wig from Glam Vigor, GLP007, and the lace is still on, so I'm going to cut it. I like to use the little ones because this point kind of lets me get real close, or as close as I want to be, but it's a matter of preference. You can use whatever scissors that you want. You can use your big old scissors. You can use, I've seen people use inking shears that leaves little jags. Like this is already here. There's little jaggeds in the lace. I already tried it on, and so I know that I want to cut it as close to the hairline. If I thought that I still needed some lace left on here outside of the hairline, then I would cut it on my head. However, I know I want to take it all the way back, so for me, it's easier to cut from here. And these have ear tabs in the wig itself, so I can cut right around those guys too. You can see there's a little bit of hair. I dipped into the hairline just a tad. No big deal. All right, let's put this guy back on. This one happens to have clips that so far I like how they clip in around my wig grip. Not all wigs I can do that with because the wig has the clips a little too far back and it messes with my hairline, which I don't like. Lace all cut. I will show this guy up close. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. I don't see any lace. Look here in the center. It looks really good. It goes all the way down. If I wanted to wear my hair back, you know I do. Although, right here you can see this looks very rounded and my natural hairline actually goes back a little bit. I am going to cut into the lace a little more to follow my own natural hairline. So right here, you see it right there. I'm gonna go back because my natural hairline comes back here, but the front, this widow's peak, is that what it's called? Comes forward. I'm gonna unclip this. Some of the hair came with it. Feels like a good little chunk of hair. But to me, that looks more natural than this side. This looks very rounded, nice and even, unnatural. Whereas this is kind of a little wicky-wonky, like I like my parts. All right, if you want to go ahead and snag one, go to glamvigor.com. They have a bunch to choose from. This one happens to be GLP007, and you can actually snag 10% off if you use code SUNSHINE at checkout. All right, let me know which one you get.